Hey guys, so we're back with another update on what's happening on the Philippine stock market. And what's very interesting is that we pointed out in the previous videos that we have a support at the 6376 mark. And as you can see right here, textbook support and resistance move. As it hit this level, there was a large red candle here. But even though there was selling, it held its ground. Then you have another red candle here, but it held its ground right after that. So notice that in areas where there's a level of support, it may be at the time where it's emotional, people are scared, people think that, oh, the market's going to go lower, oh, the market's going to crash, oh, it doesn't look so good anymore, oh, you think it's going to go lower once again, oh, things are going to get down. But if you look at it very well, we see it bounce from that level of support, which is very good. It means that at the 6376 level, it's withstanding that majority of the market institutions, retailers think that it's relatively cheap, and it sort of upholds this short term or this consolidation level that we have, where we're actually seeing the market just continually move sideways. Now, right after that, right after the bounce from support, you have three green candles, one with a shorter body, then second one with a larger green body, then with the third one with a massively bigger one. What's interesting though is that if you interlace volume also attached to this, volume was relatively higher, but not as high and not as what we would want it to be for something with a large green candle that's breaking out. So I want to note this also to everyone that it broke past this support level, this resistance level at 6527, but above and beyond breaking past that resistance level, it was able to break past these moving averages. So in one day, it broke past the 100, it broke past the 50, and it broke past the 200-day moving average. And you also have MACD confirming the change in direction that we're actually seeing right now. So that being said, that possible breakout would lead us to the next possible resistance. Short-term target price for this before we may experience a level of selling is 6703. So please do note that this upward move will only be valid if the 6527 resistance turned new support will hold its ground. If it does not, then the possible narrative or the possible retracement level, if it fails to hold this area, is we could see it go back here. But considering that this is its main channel range, I do believe that if this level holds, then the movement upward to 6703 is pretty much valid. So that being said, this entire range is about 5%. And if it breaks past this, then we have a shot that it challenges the 7,000 level, where we get to see a higher upward movement over the next at least over the next few weeks. It's not something that you'll see in the next few days, but at least that gives you an 11.3% upside for those who want to trade that particular range as well. So key numbers to remember for the PSEI: 6527 as the critical area of the previous resistance turn support that people need to watch out for. If it holds, then we may have some upward movement. If it doesn't, then we may see it retrace. But we are seeing certain indicators showing us that there's a change in direction via MACD. There's a breakout via the 20, via the 20, 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages. And because of that also, we may see upsides to the different resistances that are next: 6707 and 7074. So everything that I've mentioning to you is pretty much just based still here. We're still sideways. We're still not really out of the woods yet. We're not really bullish yet in terms of will the market have a chance to go back to its all-time high. There's a bunch of resistances that we need to watch out for, and it's still a great way off from that. So if it breaks past the 7,059 level, then that's the only time it has a shot to maybe attack the 7,500 level, which is the resistance that it hasn't broken out from since COVID, since the lockdown. And I do believe that's what's going to take it out from the sideways movement that we're having, this multi-year sideways movement that we're having as well. So please do remember, 20, 50, 100-day moving averages have turned bullish. MACD showing us a change in direction. We have 3 consecutive green candles, with the third one being larger, but volumes are not as massive as what we would want for breakouts from resistances. So there. And I want to point this out also, at least for the PSEI. Please do note this. If you're the type of person who wants to plot like trend lines, you can see it right here that the movement that we saw today broke out from this downward trending slope that started from the peak of the market last February 2023. So at least this progression from February to July that was trending downward, the highs that were getting lower, it got broken. So now it has to prove that the market is just sideways and not in a midterm downward trending cycle by breaking out of 6703 and pushing towards 7,081 level. If it does that, the PSEI is a barometer. It will carry and it will push the other markets as well. It will carry and push the other stocks that are there as well. So as you can see right here, you see video, almost the same. See AC. So you can see AC is rather different. You see, let's look at Ali. Let's look at Ali there. Green candle also nearing the resistance. If you look at SM Prime, large green candle again. Then if you look at SM, so it's something that you could say that a lot of the things that have moved also, at least from the green candle perspective, were the ones highly connected to SM. I want to show you some of the banking stocks as well. So you have BPI doing well also. Then you also have Metro Bank as well. So you have all of that together. I'm showing you that boom, a lot of the other stocks in the market are now showing some signs of people willing to buy it higher. And what would be interesting to make this at least relatively complete and something that you think would have legs is it's not just Filipino retailers, it's not just Filipino institutions, but we would want to see a more sustainable movement from foreigners starting to come in. Again, it's foreign institutions that bring the markets higher because they have large funds and they're the ones that are willing to bring markets higher. They're the ones that are willing to buy higher as well. So let's see how this goes. Let's see what the ultimate progression of this will be. And if you see it push higher, just a quick reminder to everyone to exercise caution, not to ape in just because it's up. If you have a plan to take profits, to take profits. Don't add more than what you should actually add. Just follow your plan, follow your strategy, do what makes sense to you. And I do believe that's what will help you, especially in these times. So there. I hope you guys got a lot from this. I hope that this was insightful. Marvin Gerbo, I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon and God bless you all. And if you want to learn more about technical analysis, I've written books about it. Check out the links in the description below. I've also created seminars and webinars about it. Everything is down in the description below. And I guess that's it. See you all guys. Have a blessed Thursday. It's rainy though. It's a very, very rainy Thursday. I heard a lot of people were stuck in traffic yesterday. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are not as stuck today as compared to yesterday, but at least tomorrow is a Friday, end of the week. You get to have Saturday and Sunday to be able also to rest as well. So yeah, all is well, all is good. Yeah, have a good night, everyone. And if you have questions about the Philippine markets, put it down below. And if you also have specific stocks that you want me to analyze from a technical analysis level, put it down. We're going to make videos for you guys about it. So I guess that's it. Yeah. See you all. God bless you.